The T670i is ready, just waiting for the start signal. And they're off, throwing themselves into the task at hand. While the combines are putting on their best show, naturally the checking team is also on the scene. Lost control pans were regularly thrown under both machines and then meticulously weighed. Things are also running smoothly with the T-Series. The machine with 6 straw walkers achieved a grain throughput of occasionally more than 60 tonnes per hour during the late afternoon in the 10-tonne field. But how does the straw walker machine cope with the increasingly moist straw? It's now 11:44 p.m. The conditions have changed more quickly than we expected. We are currently experiencing a grain moisture content of 15% and higher. With a straw moisture content of more than 30%, the harvesting day is over for the T670i shortly before midnight. In almost exactly 14.5 hours, the machine harvested a total of 640 tonnes of wheat.